What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this episode, working under 6 liter, getting stuff prepped to put the other head on. I've already got one on. Didn't want to walk you through doing both. So here's what we're working with. We got our valve cover, upper rocker box, oil pump or high pressure oil pump cover, and turbo pedestal. Here it goes. All right, guys, we got all our stuff sandblasted, cleaned off. Now we're ready for paint. I'm probably just gonna go gloss black with everything. Maybe some stuff down in the valley, like the O-Dogs. I might do a different color, maybe lime green, something like that. But for now, this stuff is just going gloss black. There's the first coat. Still gonna do a couple more coats on them, but let that dry. Go over again. And there we go, guys. Second coat, third coat done. Beautiful. All ready to go on. First, I gotta replace a couple rockers on all the old valves, or all the old rockers. I'm changing out all the plastic pieces. So I got my new ones in here. There's my other head ready to go on. Sweet stage 2 power driven heads. O-ringed ported intakes, ported exhaust, heavy duty springs, ARP 625s to hold it all in place. Got new bridges, a couple new rockers to replace ones that the ends are seized up and banged up like this one. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And yeah, follow along to follow my build, twin turbos. Things gonna be sweet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.